Hi everybody, today I will show you how to send disappearing photos on WhatsApp. So let's begin. First, open the WhatsApp chat where you want to send a disappearing photo. Now, simply tap on the attachment icon available at the bottom and select gallery to pick your photo. Now, select the photo that you want to send. Once you selected your photo, it shows up in the preview screen. You will see a timer icon available just right here. You can tap it from here, or you can also click on the preview icon and tap the timer icon available here at the bottom right. It looks like a small circle with a number 1 inside it. Simply tap on it. View once mode is now turned on for that photo. This means the recipient can only open and view the photo one single time before it disappears permanently. Now, simply tap the send icon and the photo gets delivered. Now, on the recipient's end, they will see a special view once indicator on the message. Once they tap and open it and view it, it's gone and cannot be opened again. The picture will stay on their screen, they will not be able to screenshot it or download it. And once they get back, they won't be able to open that specific picture again. So, that's how you send disappearing photos on WhatsApp. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.